Do you struggle growing long, thick, and healthy hair? Worry no more, because you just came to my channel where I specialize in helping people achieve the hair of their dreams. I do this by using my recipes I perfected along the way of my own natural hair journey. After learning how to grow my own natural hair longer, thicker, and quicker than ever before, I finally decided to share an easy, straight-to-the-point routine that works for myself and several others. This routine is in my Growth Training 101 guide. My guide comes with a detailed, step-by-step breakdown of everything you need to do to grow your hair longer, healthier, thicker, and stronger, and that helped me grow my hair from my ears to my hips extremely fast. And as I've mentioned before, numerous customers who have purchased the guide and have been implementing the routines have seen their hair transform for the better, including seeing results so good it made them cry tears of joy. Customers who have purchased the guide are achieving waist-length hair. Some people are seeing results in 3 weeks. Other people are seeing thickness and health that they've never seen before. And still others are seeing hair that they haven't seen since they were a child. This growth training guide is no joke. So if you're ready to stop struggling trying to find a routine that works for you and are ready to get real results, head to justforblackgirls.com/shop and shop the Growth Training 101 guide now while it is on sale. And that's not all. A lot of women struggle with PCOS, perimenopause, and other conditions that makes them suffer from hormone-related hair loss and thinning. And I did not leave you ladies out. There is a bonus section in the guide that covers herbal remedies you can use to slow or reverse altogether hair loss and thinning caused by hormonal imbalances so you can finally achieve your hair goals. I did the work so you don't have to. Head to justforblackgirls.com/shop and shop the Growth Training Guide so you can be put on the path to unlocking thicker, longer, healthier, and stronger hair growth at a faster rate today. And just in case you needed another reminder, the free recipes on this channel have been helping people grow their hair when doctors told them it was impossible. So imagine the knowledge and the benefit you can use from the recipes that are in this guide. And don't fret, it is on a major sale. For all of you that have missed the sales from before, the guide is still on sale. So again, if you're ready to take that leap of faith, head to justforblackgirls.com/shop and shop the Growth Training Guide now. I believe in you. You got this. I just have one question.